Did you know there's a cosmic graveyard of space debris orbiting our planet, threatening our communication satellites and space missions? Join us as we reveal the futuristic alliance of AI and robotics that promises to revolutionize galactic housekeeping. It all began when satellite engineer Dr. Elara Chen gazed out at the night sky, struck by the silent peril cluttering orbit. "We've littered the heavens with over 23,000 pieces of debris," she mused, pointing at her 3D model. "If one speck of space junk could tear a hole through a satellite, imagine a cascade effect." Therefore, the world needed something groundbreaking. Enter the Space Sweeper 9000, a fleet of AI-powered robotic cleanup crews soaring through the cosmos. These autonomous marvels deploy sophisticated algorithms to identify, capture, and safely deorbit debris. Therefore, they're not just roaming aimlessly. Each sweeper calculates trajectories, using real-time data to avoid live satellites and to nip potential collisions in the bud. Nearby, a control center buzzes with anticipation as Samir, an AI specialist, observes the screen. "It's like a game of 3D chess," he explains, "but with satellites and debris instead of pawns." As the digital map reveals a new threat, a speeding cluster of nuts and bolts, the sweeper locks on. With precision movements, its robotic arm deftly corrals the space litter. But there's more to consider. What about making space cleanup profitable? Many wonder. Innovators propose transforming collected metal junk into raw materials for construction in orbit. Imagine converting risks into resources and ensuring humanity's seamless passage to the stars. So, brace yourself for the dawn of AI-led cosmic cleansers, our unsung heroes in the space race saga. Could this be the next giant leap for mankind?